Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. I'm this lifelong slob, and you might be thinking, what are you doing folding clothes? Well, let me tell you what, ladies. When I listen to C.J. Jones in the Spirit Bones, either the first album, The Odyssey of Cletus Jeremiah Jones, or the second album, Low-Tell to Get It On, I automatically start cleaning and folding clothes. Isn't that incredible? What you need to do is get out there and get a copy of that CD and maybe some extra merchandise for that man of yours if you want to have a neater, cleaner, well-organized, clear-minded man. And I'll show you how to fold a man's underwear. Here.
I might like an amphetamine sandwich, but never before I knew that is unless I stayed up all